Hello, my friends. How are you? Hopefully, you are always well. Today, I will focus on introducing myself. First of all, I will tell you about my hobby, which is fishing. Then, my ambition is to become a successful entrepreneur in order to make my family and the people around me proud. I was born in September in the year 2005. I have two parents, father and mother, then two younger siblings, one brother and one sister. They are still in school and I am currently studying at the Santibana Institute. Oh yeah, I forgot to introduce my name. Okay, my name is Septiandi. You can call me Ian. That's all for today. Thank you. Hello, friends. Good morning. How are you today? I hope you are always well. So today I am in a greenhouse, more precisely in a plant house whose cultivation method is in water. Today I am checking the plants to support plants grow. Here the plants are only curly mustard green or lictus. Maybe next week we will do other plant new series such as mustard greens, spinach, and pak choy. I am very happy when I do it because I like planting plants. Maybe because it is one of my hobbies, I also do this activity to get rid of the boredom that I feel. That's all for today's short story. Thank you. Hello everyone. Good afternoon everyone. How are you today? Hopefully you are always well so that you can continue to hear my story. This afternoon, I want to do an activity that I must do, and namely washing clothes. This afternoon, I just got home from college and now I will wash clothes. Actually, I want to lay down and relax, but because the clothes in my closet are almost gone, so I gather my attention to wash clothes. Today is very sunny and it seems there are no signs of rain, so I can dry the clothes calmly without having to rush to life then, so I don't have to run around. Please pray for my friends so that it is not cloudy so that my clothes dry quickly. That's all. Thank you and goodbye guys. Hi, I am Ian. Today I cooked sweet soy chicken for my family. It was my first time cooking by myself, but don't worry, mom was right there to help. I chopped onions, sauteed the spices, then added the chicken pieces. It smelled amazing right away. I poured in sweet soy sauce, a bit of salt, and stirred it slowly. The color turned shiny and brown. At dinner, everyone sat together. Decided, wow, Lance cooking is really good. I was so happy. Turned out cooking is fun and it can make your whole family smile. Tomorrow I might try making chicken soup. Thank you guys. Goodbye. Good evening everyone. How are you all? Hopefully you are always healthy. Today I will tell you about my experience in leading worship in our course in Santa Teresa Sayung. Precisely in a village called Charma Bhakti Village, Terai District, Sayung Hamlet. I lead worship in a Catholic church because I am Catholic. When I lead worship, I get various experience. One in which is in my spirituality. I become more able to strengthen my faith, get closer to God, and proclaim His word to the people around me. And then I get experience in public speaking, so that my speaking skill can be more focused, organized, and also increase my self confused Because of that, I'm currently happy to try my speaking skill with my short story. I hope all my friends are inspired because I try to move with my friends in developing their ability in speaking in front of many people. That's all for today. Hopefully inspiring. Thank you. My short story. Good afternoon, friends. This afternoon, I just harvested the vegetables that we planted in the greenhouse a few weeks ago. I am very happy to be able to harvest our crop. Seeing green and fresh vegetable is very pleasing to the eye. Even though not so much, I am grateful to be able to participate in this activity so that it can be knowledge for me. Hopefully, I can use this knowledge when I am directly involved in the world of society so that I no longer need to buy vegetables, but I can harvest directly from the greenhouse so that I can save on expense for my food needs. God created everything beautiful for use now. How do we make that best out of it? Thanks enough story today. Thank you. Hi guys, I am Ian. Today I went to my grandma house. Guys, it's not too far, but I was still really excited. I brought her a small gift from home. When I arrived, Grandma gave me a big hug. Her house smelled like my favorite cookies. Guys, she cooked my favorite meal, sour vegetable soup and fried tempeh. So delicious. After lunch, I helped her water the plants in the yard. Then we sat on the porch and chatted. I love you spending time with grandma. It feels peaceful and full of love. I hope I can visit her more often. Okay, guys, for today, thank you. Hi, guys, I am Ian. Today is June, and I picked guavas from the tree in our backyard. Guys, the tree was full of fruit, pickies, and so fresh. I grabbed a loader and a bass, then started to pick at them one by one. I had to be careful not to fall. Some guavas had already been packed my beats. Once my basket was full, I brought it to the kitchen, and mom sighed, "Wow, that's a lot of fruit today." We watched and silenced the guavas, then ate them together while longing, and it tasted sweet and a little soft. Okay, guys, it was a simple day, but it made me so happy. June became a joyful little harvest day. Okay, guys, thank you. Hi guys, I'm Ian. Today is June, and I picked kedongdong fruit from the garden beside our house. Guys, the tree was really tall, so I borrowed a fruit picker pole from Grandpa to reach the branches. The kedongdong were greenish, yellow, and looking super fresh. I was careful so they will don't fall and bruise. After picking enough, I collected them in a bucket. Mom said, "Sit, make fruit salad this afternoon." I haven't peeled them, and we all ate the spicy kedongdong salad together. So spicy, but so tasty. Turn out picking kedondong is really fun, especially when shared with family. June became a tangy, refreshing, and happy day. Okay, guys, thank you. Hi, guys, I am Ian. Today I went to the field with Grandpa to weed the peanut plants. Guys, the sun was still warm, and morning dew covered the ground. I wore a hat and brought a small hoe. Our job was to pull out the weeds around the plants so the peanut could grow well. Guys, at first it felt tiring, But then it got fun. I found teeny bugs, other worms, and even a little frog. Grandpa taught me how to care for the plants facilitatively. We had to be gentle, not pull anything carelessly. After we finished it, we sat under a tree and drank fresh coconut water. So refreshing. I am proud I could help Grandpa today. Reading isn't just work, it's a way to love nature. Okay, guys, for today, thank you. Hi, guys, I am Ian. Today, mom asked me to watch my little sibling. Well, she was cooking. Guys, at the fridge, it was easy. We just played with blocks and drew pictures. But soon, my siblings started running everywhere. Uh, I chased them around until I got tired. But it was fun because we laughed a lot. Then I read a storybook and slowly then began to calm down. By the time mom finished cooking, my sibling was sitting quietly on my lap. Guys, mom smiled and sighed. Thank you, Ian. You're such a great big brother. I was so happy taking care of a sibling. It's tiring, but it's also fun and makes me proud. Okay, guys, thank you. Hi, guys. I am Ian. Today, my friends and I want to bathe in the river near our dorm. The water was super cold and clear. We jumped off a big rock and splashed water at each other. Some broke soap, others sang while bathing. It was loud and fun. I even helped pick up leaves stuck in the stream. It felt so refreshing to bathe in nature like this. We laughed, played, and lost track of time, but we stayed careful because the riverbed was slippery. I am tired today but happy if the water good tomorrow. We'll go again. Thank you guys. See you next video. Goodbye. Hi, I'm Ian. Today, my dorm friends and I worked together to clean the pond. At the fridge, the water was cloudy and full of fallen leaves. We started by picking up trash, then scrubbing the sides of the pond. It was really fun even though we got wet. Someone screamed because a frog suddenly jumped out. We worked while joking and laughing. Even though we got tired, it felt great because we did it together. When we finished the pond looking clean and clear, we were so proud of what we had done. I learned that teamwork can make even hard work feel light. I hope tomorrow we can play in the clean pond together. Thank you. Good evening, friends. How are you? I hope you are always healthy. Today, I want to tell you a little about our activities on June 14th, namely the exhibition activity. During the exhibition, I was one of the community members who was in charge of the cleaning definition. With friends, during the exhibition activity, I had to supervise various areas to maintain the cleanliness of the stage environment so that it was always clean without any garbage around the stage so that the audience could also watch it comfortably. My friend also sell at the exhibition sell cookies, cakes, and also ice, which is quite refreshing for the throat, especially when our event is facing very hot weather, so it is very suitable for selling ice. I am pretty good at selling because I really like selling. That's why I proceed to the sale with the elementary school teacher education study program students association. That's all for today's story. Thank you all. Good afternoon, friends. Today, my friends and I will do the most enjoyable activity, which is grilling chicken. This is the thing we are waiting for the most, where when we grill this chicken, we are full of joy because we can eat grilled chicken. That is very appetizing. Besides eating chicken, we will also look for vegetables in the forest, which are rich in various types of forest vegetables, such as ferns and bamboo shoots. We cook it together with other friends. Oh yes, we grill it at night and we will eat it together. We do this activity we every time. Okay, maybe this is all I can tell you. Thank you. Goodbye. Hello, friends. So everyone is back with me today. I hope you are all well today. I and my colleagues, friends, will make our project assessment to fulfill our exam assessment hopefully. When we do the assessment, we can finish it well so that we get good grades. Today we work on it in the refectory. This assessment we work on in group. This group assessment really makes us dizzy because there are many mistakes. Hopefully, this time we can do it with patience, heart, and cool head. That's all for today. Thank you very much for listening my short story. Thank you guys. Good evening, friends. How are you? I hope you are always healthy. Today, I want to tell you when I went fishing yesterday that I had an extraordinary experience. When I was fishing, I didn't get a single fish because the fish didn't want to be friendly. Like me, I was very disappointed because I didn't get a fish even though I was very excited to go fishing. From morning to night, only forest vegetables could we bring home for our dinner. But what else can we do? We have to let go of the time that has been wasted in vain, but we can throw away all the contests in our heads. Thank you, guys. Hi guys, I am Ian. Today I want to tell you about our family movie night. After dinner, we all gathered in the living room that set up the mini projector, and I picked my favorite animated movie. Mom made popcorn, and my little sibling brought some cozy pillows. It felt just like a real movie theater. We sat close together, laughed at the funny parts, and even jumped at the exciting skins. I really love moments like this, simple but so warm and fun. Watching movies with my family never gets boring. I wonder what movie we'll watch tomorrow. Thank you guys. Hi guys, I am Ian. Today I was supposed to study for tomorrow test, but somehow I ended up laying down just for 5 minutes. Only 5 minutes, I sighed, but 5 turned it into 10, then into a whole hour. I watched videos, snacked, and played on my phone. When I realized that it was already evening, panic. I opened my book quickly, but I felt sleepy. And then mom come inside. You can play later, but responsibilities come first. Today, guys, I learned an important lesson. Procrastina really messes things up. Tomorrow, I'll study first, then I can play. Go Ian. Okay, guys, thank you. Short story. Goodbye. Hi guys, I am Ian. Today is June and I had a special task. Taking mom the rice field by motorbike. Early in the morning, the air was still cold and the world was quiet. I wore a jacket and mom brought her sun hat and hood. Along the way, we chatted mom talking about her planting plans for the day. Okay guys, when we arrived, the sun had just begun to rise. Mom smiled and sighed. Thank you, dear Wits. I felt happy to help, even with just a small ride. It was a simple day, but guys, it warmed my heart. June became a special memory for me. Okay, guys, thank you. See, goodbye. Hi, guys, I am Ian. Today, I remember the beautiful days of high school. Guys, every morning I came early just to log and chat with my friends. Guys, I remember my favorite teacher, always encouraging us, even when we were tired of studying. During breaks, we sat under the big tree, shared lunch, and talked about our dreams. The most unforgettable moment, graduation day. We laughed while holding back tears. Now, it's all just memory. But memories that will always live in my heart. Thank you, high school, for all the laughter and life lesson. Okay, guys, see you. Hi, guys, I am Ian. Today is June, and I had important task. Watching the house while mom and dad were out for a bit. I sweep the yard, feed the cat, and made sure all the doors were locked. At first, I felt a little scared because I am not usually home alone. But after a while, I felt brave and proud. I also watered the plants and tidied up the living room. When mom and dad come home, they smiled and sighed. Wow, the house look great. Thank you, Ian. Today I learned that taking care of the house is a fun responsibility. June became a day where I felt more grow up. Okay, guys, thank you. Hi guys, I am Ian. Today I sat in the backyard and suddenly I remembered my childhood. When I was little, I loved flying kites, playing in the rain, and running around with my friends. Everything felt simpler. No homework, no deadlines, just laughter and joy. I still remember mom calling from the kitchen. Ian, it's time to eat. Now I am growing up, but those childhood memories will never fade. Sometimes I wish I could go back just for a moment, but I know those memories will always live in my heart. Thank you, childhood. I am. Uh, Hi guys, I am Ian. Today I helped Grandpa feed the animals behind the house. Okay guys, there were cows, goats and chickens. I started by filling the water bowls. Then I spread fresh grass in the chow set. Sorry, chow. Okay, guys, the chow came right away and started chewing slowly. So cute, guys. And next, I fed the goats. They were noisy and fought over food, but still adorable. Guys, lastly, I toasted some corn on for the chickens. They run everywhere to get it. Hmm. Even though the brown smelled and my clothes got dirty, I was happy to help. Hmm. Feeding the animals made me feel close to nature and gave me more respect for grandpa. Hard work. Okay, guys. Thank you. Goodbye. Hi, guys. I am Yan. Today I went to the rice field with Dad. Early in the morning, we walked along the narrow ditches. The breeze was cool, and birds were singing. At the field, I helped Dad pull out weeds and check the rice plants. It was actually fun. Sometimes I played in the muddy water. My clothes got dirty, but that just loved it. Under a tree, we ate a simple lunch: rice, fried tempeh, and warm tea. As today, I learned it day working in the rice field is tiring, but meaningful and fun. I want to go back again next week. Okay, guys, see you. Goodbye. Hi, guys. I am Ian. Today, I tried to cook rice by myself, but I ended up making uncooked rice. At first, I was super excited. I put the rice in the rice cooker, added water, and pressed the button. But I forgot one important thing. I didn't close the lid. When I checked it, the water was gone, but the rice was still hard. I panicked. Then mom come and lounged. Next time, double check everything. Okay. It's okay talk. I learning something from my mistake. Tomorrow, I'll try again. Maybe I'll make fluffy rice just like mom's. Okay, guys. Thank you. Short story. Goodbye. Hi, I am Ian. Today, I am going back to the dorm after the holidays. I feel a mix of emotion, happy to see my friends again, but a little sad to leave home. Mom took me to the gate. I gave her a big hug. Take care, she said with a smile. Inside, I saw my friend arriving too. We greeted each other and shared fun story from the break. My room is still the same tidy, but a little dusty. I started packing and fixing up my bed. Our first dinner back at the dorm was like mom's cooking, but it still felt warm. Holidays are fun, but coming back to the dorm is part of my adventure too. For today, thank you guys. Goodbye. Hi, I'm Ian. Today I went to the market with my auntie. Early in the morning, we rode her motorbike together. The air was cool and the streets were still quiet. When we got to the market, I saw so many colors. There were fruits, vegetables, fish, and even clothes. Auntie bought tomatoes, chili, peppers, and fresh fish. I helped carry the shopping bags. They were happy, but I was happy to help. In the middle of the market, Auntie bought me a sweet snack challenge cake cucur. It was warm and delicious. I love going to the market with my auntie. It's fun, busy, and I always learn something new. I hope I can go with her again soon. Thank you guys for today. Goodbye. Hello friends, how are you today? Hopefully, always healthy. Yes, today I want to have lunch in the refrigeration where we dormitory children eat together. Today, it seems the food is very delicious. Makes me hungry in this place. We always eat together and always have pleasant memories or less pleasant. Once in this place, we are trying to have a spirit of togetherness of family and friendship so that when we have left the dormitory, we can apply our togetherness to everyone. If before eating, we usually start with prayer as well as when finished eating, we always pray. That's all for today. Thank you.
Pakai apa tuh?
Good afternoon, friends. How are you? I hope you are always healthy. Today, we will go fishing with my fellow believers. The place where we fish in an area quite far in the forest in a naturally formed pond with a view refreshing and full of trees that can be seen up close. Then we want to take the kedongdong fruit, which is very tall. After we took the kedongdong fruit, we wanted to eat the fruit on the spot because we wanted to enjoy the fresh fruit right under the tree. And we continued fishing using our thorn bait because here we are used to using earthworm bait for fishing. Pray for us that we can catch a lot of fishes. Thank you for today short story. Thank you guys. Terima kasih. Thank you. Maaf.